Thank you very much for clicking this video. Sometime your client might say you cannot use Hossain, or you might want to have a different look on your website. In that case also you want to avoid Hossain. In that case, what is the best alternative for Hossain? In this video, I want to give you a best alternative for Hossain. So if you are interested, keep watching. The website name is Boxicons. So let's see how it works and actually how it look like. Three ways you can use Boxicons on your website. You can use terminal, you can download Boxicons, and then you can use this on your project, as well as you can use CDN on your project. In this video, I will let you know these three options so that you can use Boxicons on your project without any limitation. So first of all, I will create here a folder. You can place any name. I will write here Boxy, and I will open this folder using my code editor VS Code. You can choose anyone. Now here I will create a file called index.html, and inside this HTML I will take the simple boilerplate, and also I will open this with live server. Now I will align them side by side. Now I want to use here Boxicons. So if you're interested to use Boxicons, you can simply open Boxicons website. So I can open the Boxicons website. So if you're interested to open Boxicons website, in that case you need to write here Boxicons. So you can see this is the website name, Boxicons Premium Web Friendly Icon for free. If you come here, you can see these icons looks nice and also modern. Also you can say they are premium, but it's free to use. So if you're interested to use any icon, it's very straightforward. You need to click uses. So if you come here, you can use Boxicons using npm. If you have Node as well as npm installed, in that case you can simply run this code. So if I copy the code from here, and on my machine I already have Node as well as npm installed. So in order to check that, I will open the terminal, and here I can write node -v. So if I do, in that case you can see it's giving me a version. If in your case it's not giving you a version, that means you need to install Node. Same way, if you install Node, in that case you should have npm. So if I write here npm -v, in that case it should also give me a version. So you can see my npm version is 8.7.0 and my Node version is 16.13.2. Definitely for using Boxicons you don't need to use Node or anything, but if in your machine you have Node, in that case you can use them. So if you're interested to download Node, you just need to go download, or you can just simply search for Node. You can see this is the website Node.js. If you click download, you can see you can download Node for Windows, Mac as well as Linux. So you can simply download and also install. If you download and install Node, in that case your computer will good to go. So now here what I will do now, I will paste here the code, and if I hit enter, in that case you can see it's downloading. So you can see it's downloaded. So now I will click Node modules and then Boxicons, and if I come, you can see here I have an option for CSS. If I open, you can see animation CSS, Boxicons CSS, Boxicons minified.css, transform CSS. Here is a dist folder, and also you can see Boxicons.js, and also we have fonts. So what I need to do, I need to link my Boxicons minified CSS as well as Boxicons.js. So I think it will be good to go. So what I will do, I will write here link CSS, and here I will write Node modules and then Boxicons CSS, Boxicons minified CSS. Same way I will link JS before closing the body text. So I will write here script src, and here I will write Node underscore modules slash, and then Boxicons dist Boxicons.js. Okay. Now what I will do, I will try to implement an icon on my website. So I will click here this color option, and you can see here is an option for font. So I will copy and I will paste it on my body tag, and then I will open my live server. So you can see the icon is here. You can see it's working. Okay. So this is the way you can use Boxicons on your project. But if you don't want to use Boxicons on your website using Node module, in that case also you have another option, and that is you can download it. So if I click download, in that case it will download a zip file for me. You can see this is the latest one. So I will click here and I will write here actually 0, and then I want this. Now you need to place here your email address. So I will write here my email address here. So now I need to check my email address. So as you can see, this is my email. I will click view contact, and then I can download this. So this is my download folder. I will open the download folder and then this one, and you can see here I have CSS, fonts as well as SVG. Now here I will create a new folder called asset, and inside this asset folder I will copy all CSS, fonts as well as SVGs. You don't need this SVG folder anymore, but it can be here, no problem at all. In the CSS folder, you can see I have some files. I can delete all. I just need Boxicons minified.css. You should not change this fonts folder name. Okay. So now what I will do, I will open the folder and I can make it commented. I just simply link this CSS file. So I will write here link/CSS, and here what I will do, I will write here actually our asset CSS Boxicon minified CSS. That's it. So if I simply link this with my project, in that case you will see this icon works fine. We have another option, and that is CDN option. So what is CDN? If I come to the website and if I go to the uses, and it's most probably the simplest way, just you need to copy the simply CSS file. You can see import CSS. So if you simply copy the CSS from here, and if you use this CSS link instead of this, if I make it comment also, and if I place the CSS, in that case also our live server or our icon is working properly. So this three way you can use Boxicon icons on your website. So suppose I want to show here a social media section. In that case, what I can do, I can simply write here ULLIA. Okay, and inside this A or inside this UL, what I can do now, I can open the Boxicon website and I can go there, and here I can write social, or I can simply write Facebook. So if I do, you can see this is the Facebook icon. Here is the option for font. I will click there and I will copy. You can also download SVG code or HTML, PNG, and also you can mention the size what you need. Okay, so I will simply copy the font and I will come here and I will place it here. Okay, same way I will place another one, that can be Twitter. So this is the Twitter, and I can copy the font from here and I can paste it here. Same way I can use actually Instagram. So this is Instagram, and also if I open, you can see every icons works perfect. I can use here YouTube, or I can simply write here YouTube. So you can see it's YouTube. I can duplicate it once more and I can write here LinkedIn. So I have here 5 icons. So this way you can use your icons and they are smart looking, right? Now what you can do, if you're interested, you can also style them. I can actually, if I'm interested, I can create a style.css file here, or I can try to use here actually inline style. So I can write a style. Okay, and inside this style I can write UL, and for that I can write margin 0, padding 0, list style none, and I can write display, it can be flex. So you can see they look something like that. For LI, I can write margin, it can be top and bottom 0, and left and right it can be 200 pixel, something like that. I think, okay, it's actually zoomed, so it looks something like that. So instead of 20 I can write 10, so it would be great. And for A actually I can write color, it can be black. I can write a background color, it can be DDD. I can write width 50 pixel, height 50 pixel, display block, text align center. Okay, and I can write padding top 20 pixel. We can write here star, a universal selector, and I can write here box sizing border box. Okay, so now I can reduce this to 15. Okay, now it looks better, I think. Okay, now you can see they looks better. And also if you're interested to add a border radius, you can also do border radius 5 pixel. Now if I want a hover effect, I can simply write a colon hover, and I can write here background, it can be black and color can be white. Okay, I can add a transition effect 0.5 seconds. So this way you can use Boxicon, and it's a high quality web icons you can use on your project instead of Hossain if you need. I think this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button. And if you think this video is not helpful for you, click the dislike button and let me know why you don't like this. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, so when I will publish a video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and stay safe. I am Ali Hossain signing out.